أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله الذي هدانا لهذا وما كنا لنهتدي لولا أن هدانا الله لقد جاءت رسل ربنا بالحق ثم الصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين خاتم النبيين حبيب إله العالمين سيدنا ومولانا أبي القاسم محمد اللهم صل
على محمد
وعلى محمد رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Imam, today is the Shahadat of Amir al-Mu'mineen Imam Ali alayhi salam. Imam Ali was killed in his worship, in his salah. Imam Ali was known as Imamul Musallin, the leader of those who pray. Imam Ali's prayer was so that his full concentration, his full consciousness was in his worship. Ibn Abdul Hadid asserted Imam Ali was the most worshipping of all Muslims. He prayed to God and fasted for his sake more than anyone else. In fact, people learned the night prayer from Imam Ali alayhi salam. This is in Nahj al-Balagha, volume 1, page 27. Now let's talk about the punctuality of Imam Ali alayhi salam in Salah. So in the middle of the hardship of the battle of Siffin, as Imam Ali was fighting, he was glancing at the sun. So Ibn Abbas, one of the commanders of the army of Imam Ali alayhi salam, said that, Ya Amir al-Mu'mineen, what are you looking at in the sky? So Imam Ali replied that I am watching the entering time of Salah. So Ibn Abbas was completely confused, he was baffled and he asked, now in the middle of the war? So look at the reply of Imam Ali alayhi salam. Let's try to understand, let's try to ponder over it. The reply, each word of my Imam has wisdom in it. Imam Ali replied, what other than Salah are we fighting for? What other than Salah are we fighting for? These were the words of my Imam. Imam Ali's presence of heart in Salah was so that once in one of the battles, an arrow was stuck in his foot. So he was injured. So it was really painful, so the arrow couldn't come out. So Bibi Fatima Zahra salamullahi alayha, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad, the wife of Imam Ali alayhi salam, suggested that the arrow should be taken out while he was praying, while Imam Ali was praying, as he will not be conscious of his body. So the arrow was removed while he was praying, while he was in prostration. This is mentioned in Kashani al-Mahajjatul Bayda, volume 1, page 397. Imam Ali never missed the night prayer. Imam Ali has said that since I heard the Prophet saying, there is a hadith of the Prophet, night prayer is light, night prayer is nur. So Imam Ali says, since I heard the Prophet saying this hadith, I never left the night prayer. So a person named Ibn al-Qawa said, even on Laylatul Hurayr, Imam said, yes, even on Laylatul Hurayr, I didn't miss the night prayer. The night of Al-Hurayr is the night during the Battle of Siffin, in which it is said that more than 70,000 people were killed. So day and night the battle was going on. Many Imams have said about the worship, about the Salah of Amir al-Mu'mineen. So Imam Jafar as-Sadiq alayhi salam has said, every time Imam Ali used to stand up for Salah, the color of his face would change. Imam Jafar as-Sadiq has said these words, that when Imam Ali used to recite, his color of face would change. Now I would like to end my lecture like this, and let's give our condolences for the martyrdom of Imam alayhi salam to the Imam of the time, Al-Hujjah Al-Mahdi alayhi salam. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. I would like to end my lecture with the recitation of Dua Hujjah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد. اللهم كن لوليك الحجة ابن الحسن صلواتك عليه وعلى آبائه في هذه الساعة وفي كل ساعة وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرضك توعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا. يا مدبر الأمور يا باعث من في القبور يا مجري البحور يا ملين الحديد ذي العبود صل على محمد وآل محمد وافعل بنا ما أنت أهله في الدين والدنيا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.